Okay, darling.
So what's happened?
Okay, you've now got to do the apples.
Oh, I can do the apples.
I'll go wrap this, and then
right,
while you're doing the apples, I'll cook the apples, then I'll come back.
All right, well, I've got some apples. What was that? Is that my apples you just took away? Oh, hang on, before you go to that with the pastry,
Yeah.
I just got to check it.
Oh.
What's that?
Dear, oh dear.
Yeah, that'll do.
It'll do?
That'll do. Oh, geez, that's rich. Come here. Try it too. Yeah, Bob likes. Oh, he's coming back for seconds. There you go. Got to be good. All right, let me put my apron back on, and we'll peel these apples. Oh, that can go there. Yeah, Bob, you can hop back up on the bed. She's not here now. Come on you get. There you go. Come on. There's a good boy. All right. So now we're going to peel some apples. Dear, oh dear. You want to lick the knife? You're not going to lick the knife. Not allowed. All right, here we go. Right, what you got to do first with the apples is you got to core them. So for that, you can use a compass saw if you like. You just got to sort of punch it through, and then you can cut a circle to take the core out. It's a bit messy. And then, of course, you can use a spoke shave to geez, the juicy apples. Here we go. You can use a spoke shave to peel them. There's nothing wrong with that. You just got to have a fair amount of blade hanging out. And you can't use H&T Gordon's because they're too fine. Whereas with this, you can actually peel it. Got to have a flat sole one though. You can't have a round sole. If you want to do decorations, what we can do with the router, because I know Danny wants to see this. You reckon I'm fair dinkum? No! Go away! Oh dear, get rid of that stuff. I wouldn't do that with an H&T Gordon. Oh dear. And that was going to core it too. Nope, I got one of these things. Much easier. Here we go. One of these, you pop it down on the mat, sits there nicely. If you want, you can clamp that. I've got to work out how to do this now. So I haven't done this for a long time. Oh, this is disgusting. Hang on, there we go. Pull that out. That goes in there. That goes up to there. And we'll just adjust how much peel I want out. Hey, does that do the business or what? Look at that. Peeled and cored in one hit. Much better way to do it.
You were serious.
What?
When I'm in here, Bob, you're going to hospital bed.
Yeah. I'm not going to do anything. But there was an interesting chat. Somebody said, how come you get power tools in the house and I'm not allowed?
Well, because they're kitchen power tools.
Oh, and that makes a difference?
Yep.
Is there going to be enough apples?
Yep.
All right. So how many slices do I do those in?
Cut them in 4.
In 4?
Yep.
I can do that. No, do I want a knife? God, shit. I want a knife. There you go. That's the way to do it. I'll tell you what. That's why my wife won't let me do the cooking anymore. She reckons I'm dangerous with a hammer. Look at that. That's it. It's all good. Oh, good help, darling?
Absolutely.
Yeah. There you go.
Wash the axe.
Oh, last time I used it, I did before I used it. I was going to use the saw, but this axe is sharp enough, so it'll do the business all right. you go. That's how to make apple pie the woodworking masterclass way. And you whack a bit of sugar in there. And a bit of butter. And
I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out.
well, all right.
Don't give it to your husband, eat.
No, wouldn't dream of it. We wouldn't take the scratch food up with. Thank you.
No worries. I'll bring the turbot.
Okay. Well, you didn't get a wagon wheel, but you can have some apple. What do you reckon? Is that right? He's looking at me going, it's not as nice as a wagon wheel. What can I tell you? Back now. Oh, wonder what was happening. What have we got, Mum?
Is the apple cooked?
The apple's cooked. Show the people the apple. Look at that. Is that got cinnamon and...
It has got cinnamon and nutmeg in it.
Oh.
But you got to stir it
So
all the
it's
time,
got
but
cinnamon
make
and
sure you
nutmeg.
don't burn it.
It's not cayenne pepper.
No, it's definitely,
definitely
cayenne
cinnamon.
Pepper. It's cinnamon and nutmeg.
I'll have a bit of that, and it's a bit hot.
It is hot.
It is a bit hot.
So there you go, and I'll bring in the turbo in a second.
All right. Done. How long's it going to take to cook, do you reckon?
About 15-20 minutes.
Really? Yeah, well, you will be eating it on stream then.
Could be.
It's all going to happen.
It is. You can roll out the top part of it, and I'll just press the bottom in.
You want to do that now?
If you're ready.
I'm ready. We'll do it because I'm hanging for some apple pie, and then I'll come back and do some more dovetailing. So this is called multitasking.